Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2012 Honda Ridgeline Sport in black with gray cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. It also has a tonneau cover and a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has a trailer hitch. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and your gas cap release is located here. There's your traction control, lighting controls. Your steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of it, you have media control with the volume, as well cruise control on the right-hand side of your steering wheel. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading. In the center, you have your CD player, and you also have AM, FM, as well as auxiliary line in, and then you can choose through different options as far as setting favorites and so forth. There's your hazard lights, there's a little bin, and as well off to the side, just notice beside the shifter, you have the lock select for your trip reset, and that's for your dash controls. As well, you have the lights for your door, climate control, AC and max AC, as well as front defrost. Down below, there's 12-volt power outlets, as well as a little bin. And in the center, you have an armrest, there's cup holders, and this just slides forwards and back for your comfort, and this also moves back and forth. You have all-weather mats on the floor, your glove compartments there. There's your auxiliary line located there. Grab handles in the body for the passenger, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate. You also have a tonneau cover and a 7-pin connector and a trailer hitch. Now when you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so like you do traditionally by just pulling on the handle that's located in the center. With this, you also have a swing gate option. You just open that right up. And the reason you have that, one, it's easy to get in, but also underneath you have a lockable storage bin where you can put things, and you're seeing a spare tire there wrapped up. Close it up. Off to the side, you're seeing lights. There's lights on either side, as well as tie downs. And then when you're all done, simply swing the gate closed or lock up your tailgate, walk away, have a great day, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. There's a handle located right here. Simply push it up, and now you have more room on the floor. And then you can just push it down when you're ready to sit in the regular seating position. In the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You have that nice all-weather mat from one end to the other. Slim pockets on the back of the front seats. And in the center, you've got an air vent, as well as a 12-volt, a light down below, and hooks. In the body, grab handles. Up above, hooks and lighting. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Black bumper, 5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.